Today we are doing the Emoji Pancake Art Challenge. Our mom mixed some different colors so we can make the pancake. Red, brown, yellow, and light brown. My mom's gonna help us with the outline. My mom's going to help me with my outline first. Now I gotta fill in the eyes. That looks good, Jove. Now I'm done. I need to wait for it to bake a little, and then we're going to flip it. It looks like it's ready. My emoji. That looks cool, Jovee. He looks kind of broke. He looks like he got some stitches on the side over here. Mom's gonna do my outline. It's time to flip it now. Wow, that looks cool. Comment down below